Day 7. So we got a problem over here. 32-inch door would not fit because it's gonna hit the vanity and then toilet. So we gotta put 28-inch here. Drywall work is on the way. Got all the cabinets, doors. Purchased a lot of plumbing materials, tiles for the bathtub, and then wood frame for the doors. All right, so the drywall work is in progress here. Oh, it looks nice now. Yeah. Okay. Wow. My son is also checking out what's going on here. Uh-huh. Wow. Yeah, I like it. It looks much better. It looks much better. And this is the floor plan, outlet, switch, the bathroom, master bed, and everything here. Okay. And then looks like they're gonna do it tomorrow. The plumbing is not done here, so looks like here, same thing. Looks like they did a lot of electrical work and plumbing work. Alright, so alright. Day 8, week 2 on the job site. Yeah, looks like they used a lot of studs and then drywalls. Got tile deliveries too, door jambs. We have countertop for the vanities, and what else coming tomorrow? Some of the stuff are coming tomorrow too. Alright, so the drywall is almost done here. Got 4 recessed lighting, and 1 in the center would be for the light itself. We're gonna have windows hopefully this week or next week. So the drywall work over here is done as well. The closet, and I have to patch this place, threshold. The chimney is removed, patched. We gotta do the same thing here on the ceiling. We're gonna have a line, recessed lighting 1, 2, 3, 4 over here, 5 and 6 on this side. I'm not sure about this. Is it gonna be wall light? I'm not sure. So the plumbing work is on the way as well here. The master shower, and then the bathtub area. Alright, so the plumbing is going from there. It's gonna be connected to this side. Yeah. So we're gonna decide about this jack post at the end of this renovation stage, I would say, because we're not sure like how much space we're gonna have over here. So we're gonna have cabinets until that wall, probably a little more to this side, and if we put the stud over here, the jack post, it's gonna be like an obstruction, and we don't want that, so we'll have to either put it over here or leave it here. And we're gonna have different posts because this one is a little bit crooked right now, bent. Alright, so the plumbing work is almost done here. Everything is going to be connected to the main switch over here. So initially when we planned, actually we wanted the kitchen cabinets to be on this side so that all the plumbing pipes would go to this side, and whenever it makes noise it goes to this, and then cabinet wall would kind of prevent that noise coming to the living room and the kitchen over here. But apparently we did mismeasure some of the stuff, so we got all the plumbing here, and then we're gonna put soundproof insulation. Hopefully it'll help with that, because obviously we don't want all the noise coming from shower and toilet and vanities when you're sitting on here eating, cooking, you know. And now we got the water on now, so everything is working fine here, but the pipes inside are frozen and they got busted, so I have to change the pipes. We're gonna change it to PX pipes. We got a backflow over here, new requirement, and we're gonna have water extension tank, and then all the electrical work is ongoing upstairs. Drywall is almost done. So the drywalls we bought for the garage actually was used inside of the house. There was a miscommunication, so we got only 3 left here, maybe 5. So we're gonna use that for the rest of the house, and then we're gonna use half an inch for the ceiling, and then walls. Day 10, week 2. Dumpster is almost full. Got all the door jambs, frames here. Alright, so the plumbing work is almost done here. Everything's connected. The water pipes are coming through all the way from there. It's going to here. So all these water lines coming along. It looks nice. We still have to organize all this electrical wires. Day 11, week 2. Day 12, week 2. Alright, so the drywall is on the way here. Closed off this window on the side. And then open up this on this side. So we got a beautiful view from here. We're gonna have king size bed over here, and then beautiful view to the park, city, backyard. I'm actually glad that we didn't move the window to this side, because if you moved, you would be looking at this roof over here. So it's better to have the full view of the backyard. So this is the plan for this room. So the drywall work is done here. The plumbing work is on the way here. And so we got all the pipes here and on this side. coming from this side. Just to here, we're gonna have laundry over here, and then utility sink over here, and then kitchen sink on the other side. Day 13, week 2. Closed off this window. Open this window up. Did the drywall work over here and over here and this side. So the plumbing work is almost done here. Vanity, toilet, and then bathtub, and then shower, vanity, double vanity over here, and then shower gonna be on this side. So all the plumbing work is almost done here. Just about. Alright, so the plumbing work underneath. This is going upstairs. The bathrooms, those connections are done. This is done. This is done. And that one is done. So we're gonna have a lot of connections. One connection is gonna be to the outside one, gas and water. And one connection is gonna be to this bathroom. So this line is coming from here, going to this side, and then all the way to here. Disperse it from this side. So we decided to change out all the subfloor because some of them are rotten out and some of them are termite damaged, but that's not active. So we decided to do the whole thing, the whole house. So we're gonna add 1,200 for the labor, and then gotta get the subfloor. I'm not sure how much that would be extra. Day 14, week 2, last day of the week 2. So they've been working on the subfloor and then some of the drywalls, and we got some surprises there. Alright, so the subfloor. Now it's gonna be sturdy and double because we're just putting on top of this, level it up. Got some issues over here, so we're gonna see what's going on here and put the new subfloor. This side is already new, so we gotta work on this side now to level it up because it's lying here. This side is a little bit high, this side is lower. Same thing throughout the house, so they're just leveling it up now. So this is bedroom number 1, the small one. So the drywalls, everything is done here. We just have to change out the windows and then put the lights and just spackling, and we should be good. This is the subfloor for the hall. We got closet over here, all the drywalls, electrical, and this room is done too. So this is vanity, toilet, and the bathtub, and then double vanity on that side. Alright. So the next project would be to power wash all the vinyls and then the concrete block. I'm gonna fix the concrete porch here and then paint this coffee white, I believe. Oh no, Dove white. The concrete block would be wrought iron, wrought. So this is the view from the back. This is garage. It's gonna be same paint color as the vinyl of this side of the house, and then concrete block would be different color. So yeah, we got pretty nice view up from here. We're gonna put all new windows, paint the shutters same color as a concrete block so that it can match. And this is the backyard. It goes all the way. This bushes are just for the privacy because they had a on-ground swimming pool over here. So same thing from there. I think that's the line for the third lot that goes from the corner. It's like a triangle shape. Goes all the way. This one goes all the way too. That one goes all the way too. Hopefully it turns out great.